can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a do.
Hey girl, hey. So today I'm going to be reviewing this beautiful blonde highlighted wig from CelieHair. This wig comes with a lot of bells and whistles. It comes with a pre-plucked hairline. The knots have already been bleached, and of course this beautiful color has already been done for me, and the wig already comes curled. So you can definitely put this wig on and go, but for me, I gotta wash this wig and I'll be back. Okay girl, so I have washed this wig and this is what the wig looks like. I forgot to mention that the lace also comes cut already, so only thing you have to do really is put this wig on and style it if you choose to wash the wig, or you can simply put the wig on in its natural state and be out the door. So I was trying to find like a better angle so you girls could see the pre-cut lace, but it just wasn't working out. But anyways, when I put this wig on, you'll definitely be able to tell that the lace has already been cut. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on and get it adjusted to my head, and I'll be back. Okay girls, so now that I got the wig on, I want to show you girls what the parting space looks like on this wig. I can't remember the exact measurements on this wig. I want to say it's a 6x5, but make sure you check out that description bar. But the parting space on this wig is pretty clean for the most part. I don't think I'm gonna need to go in and do any plucking to the middle part, because as you can see, when I parted the hair right down the middle, I got a pretty decent clean part. So right here, I'm actually just seeing if I want to do a middle part or if I want to do some baby hairs or something to the wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and flatten out this wig and I'll be back.
If him not dead, then he call my doors. No go fumble. As that day comes, as I go.
Okay, so I've been feeling layers and middle parts lately. So today I'm doing just that. I'm going to have a middle part and I'm going to have layers to this wig. So I definitely wanted to stick with the look of the original curl pattern when I received this wig. And I also want to see if it's going to hold curls like it did when I first got the wig or whatever. So I've done quite a few videos like this already showing you girls how I put layers in my hair. And basically what I do is I start off with small sections in the front and just pretty much frame my face. This is a lot of hair, y'all, so I'm really thinking about cutting some of this hair. It is 24 inches, so I don't really know if I'm gonna cut off like 2 inches or if I'm just gonna really layer the hell out of this wig. So I'm gonna just play around with it and I'll be back.
My door. If him not dead, then he call my doors. No go fumble. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. Bank on it.
Okay, so now that I got my layers in my hair and I got my wig on the top super duper flat, I'm going to go ahead and add some curls to this hair. Now, I don't know what happened in the video, but somehow I guess I wasn't recording when I was curling my hair. So girl, y'all only gonna be able to see me curl one side of my head, but I pretty much curl my hair the same on both sides, so it's really not a big deal. But I wanted you girls to know, like, I don't know what happened. I guess I just didn't hit the record button.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. Bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I land. Lily, oh, 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 lily, oh, oh. You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go.
Okay, this wig definitely surprised me. Like, I knew the color was given, loved the color, but I did not know if I could actually pull off this look. And y'all, this wig is definitely a 10 out of 10. Now, I didn't really do anything to the hairline on this wig because I really didn't want to focus in on that. I just wanted a clean middle part, and I wanted fluffy curls just to really give that sexy, fun, flirty look with with these colors in this wig. So yeah, I definitely love this color. I have this wig on right now. This wig will be featured in more vlogs. It'll be all over social media, so definitely make sure you check out CelieHair. I'm going to have all their contact information below. I'm going to have the direct link to this wig, and I'm going to give you guys more details on this wig in case you want to purchase it. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you girls in the next one. Mwah.